Hey guys, so I'm in my new studio and I had a couple of boxes that I wanted to open and share with you. This is my monthly Knitcrate unboxing, which if you don't know what Knitcrate is, it's a monthly yarn subscription service where you get sent a surprise box of yarn, so you don't get to choose the color or anything like that. It's just a happy little surprise every month. I'm sorry if the quality and the audio and everything is different. I just don't have any of my normal setup here with me yet. So I'll start with the sock crate because it's the first in front of me. So for the sock crate, you get one skein of sock yarn, and this is the colorway that I got this month. It's called Violana Ember Sport in the colorway Holly. So it's a 70% merino wool, 20% nylon, 10% silk sport weight. This is a really cool looking mix of colors, and I'm actually really interested to see how it knits up. I'm not usually a bright color person, but when it comes to knitting socks, I feel like that's where you can kind of get a little bit more creative with color. So this could be really cool. I'll knit this up probably after Christmas just to see what it looks like. I'm guessing it's stripes, but maybe it's just color blocks. I don't know, we'll see. This month they threw in a little pin. I don't know if you can see that. And you also get the little booklet. So I'll do a quick little run through of this booklet. This booklet is all about like this month of December and kind of the inspiration that they had. And it has all your patterns and information about the dyers and the yarn. So you get a few patterns and then a sneak peek of January, and then introducing the designers and the themes and everything like that. So to me, this is just kind of a cool little addition. I really like that they print out the booklets now. Beforehand, it was just kind of a singular card that you would get that had the pattern code on it, so you would go online and download it, and you still get the download links and everything, but you also get a printed copy, which I find is really nice. And I also love the inspiration part of this, where they show kind of what inspired them with the colors that they use this month. And I'm loving the colors that it looks like January is going to be having, so it'll be really interesting to see next month's. So that was the sock crate, and now this is the knit crate. So I think Knitcrate is their most common box. It comes with 2 skeins of yarn, and there's several different colors that you could get, but this is the color that I was given. This is really gorgeous kind of steely gray blue, which I really like. So this is the colorway Triple Luxe, and it's 100% wool in a chunky weight with 60 yards. So you get 2 skeins, and it's a surprise colorway. So I ended up with the blue-gray color, but you could end up with, I think there's a red color and maybe an orange. There's definitely an orange because it's in the booklet cover. So you also get a pin. So this is the same pin that came with the other one. And then you also get the booklet. So you get all the same patterns and the inspiration and the information that comes with it, as well as these 2 skeins. And there's several patterns in here that you could use with this yarn to make. So you could make this little bonnet here, or hat, bonnet, whatever you want to call it. And there's more that you could make with this yarn that you get. So you get the yarn, some patterns, and a little booklet, and a pin, and that is the knit crate. So this was just to show you what I got in the box this month. If you're interested, I have links down below that you can go check it out yourself, and there's a coupon code. No pressure. I'm just here to show you what they sent me this month. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next unboxing video.